Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Amazon returned items for cheap first. Open your browser and visit amazon.com. Click sign in at the top right and log into your account. If you don't have one, create it by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, go back to the homepage and click the All menu in the top left corner. It may appear as a hamburger icon on smaller screens. Scroll down to Programs and Features, then select See All. From the list that appears, click on Amazon Outlet. Inside Amazon Outlet, find the Amazon Resale category. This is where you can discover returned open box or slightly used items at discounted prices. Amazon usually provides condition notes for each item so you'll know exactly what you're purchasing. Make sure to read those details carefully before placing an order. When you find a product you like, just add it to your cart and check out as you normally would. That's it. You've now learned how to shop on Amazon Resale and grab great deals on quality return items, from electronics to home essentials at lower prices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.